One thing that always bothered me on the JK was the lack of light in the cargo area when the tailgate is open. So today we're fixing that with a simple LED strip that works just like a dome light. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the inner tailgate panel to get access to the area where the LED strip will sit. After adding some glue, the LED strip goes into place. A little tape helps hold everything while the glue sets, and then we clean up the excess. Next, we move to the passenger side roll bar. Behind the fabric, there's a wiring harness, and we're looking for a yellow wire and a black wire. Using a couple of connectors, we tap into the factory wiring for our power source. Before routing everything, let's make sure it works. Perfect. Now it's time to hide the wiring. The cable runs inside the roll bar padding, behind the rear wheel arch carpet, and all the way back to the tailgate, keeping everything clean and out of sight. With the wiring done, the panel goes back on and we're finished. Simple mod, factory-style operation, and a lot more light where it's actually needed. See you in the next one. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Jeep and garage projects. Thanks for watching.